The CECC reported 44,565 local COVID cases on Sunday, with a death toll of 62. A day earlier, the death toll reached 76, marking the highest figure in 78 days. Experts say, however, that the days of 200-plus deaths are behind us. With daily case numbers still high, many are wondering if having a sore throat means that they have COVID. Doctors explain that a sore throat caused by COVID is a lot more painful than a regular sore throat.
The sight of people standing in line is now commonplace in Taiwan's hospitals with the arrival of autumn, which marks the beginning of the high season for infectious diseases. However, does a sore throat mean that you've got COVID or the flu? Not many people know the difference. A doctor says one of his COVID patients has told him his sore throat felt like having a cactus in the throat. In addition to inflammation and redness, the throat typically has ulcers and is extremely painful. Indeed, some COVID patients experience a severe sore throat that is very different from the kind that's caused by the flu or common cold.
The flu is actually a systemic infection, and a sore throat may be one of the symptoms. A sore throat caused by COVID is localized in the throat, and the pain can be very severe, with the sensation of stinging and tearing or even cutting.
On Saturday, just 5 days before the nation ends travel quarantines and border restrictions, 76 people died of COVID, the highest death toll in 78 days. Will the number of deaths continue to spike? Deputy Superintendent of Xinguang Hospital, Dr. Hong Zeren, doesn't think so.
The chances of seeing a daily death toll of over 200 like it was back in June are very, very low.
What about for those who test positive? The current policy is 7 days of quarantine. Some are suggesting that the 7 days be amended to 5 days. Dr. Hong doesn't think the time is ripe yet. He says the government should consider 2 indicators: the number of local cases after October 13th and the nation's medical capacity.
If we rashly ease the 7-day requirement down to 5 days, it will definitely speed up the addition of confirmed cases. Such an increase will have the greatest impact on our medical facilities.
As the number of local cases continues to plateau, the vaccination rate among the public is also climbing, meaning it's just a matter of time before the government relaxes its 7-day quarantine requirement to 5 days. But decision makers are keeping a close eye on that plateau and its impact before they ease more restrictions.